Hello. Hello, Epic Gamers. Today I'm actually not going to be playing a game, but I'm going to be looking at these goofy comments on this goofy Roblox movie. And don't ask why I watched it all. I wanted to, um, um, it doesn't matter. Alright, so, now there's something good about comments. The ones at the top always really liked, and they're they're actually not that bad. Newest first. This is just too good to be true. This brings back memories I never knew I had. This was made in 2018, bro. What do you mean memories? He ski. You know, it's Jenna. I didn't believe that. She is hacking. Okay, yeah, I think that's on the controversy. That was Jenna was like gonna hack girls on Roblox. What does this game called? That grammar is impeccable, bro. I'll get. I don't know the language. I like Jenna because she whispers on 06 and her hair and her long hair. This is really good. Killer's Return. I really like this. And FNAF Plush World is almost like it's replying to him, saying too good. Jenny Cutie says, no, Jenny Cute says, is that Jenna? Is it? Is that Jenna? But is Jenna real? After I saw him, I'm pretty sure it's a her. 2022, he become a hacker. Yeah, hacker. Mm. But Jenna is my friend. No, she isn't. Jenna's like a dude. Jenna's a guy who was like going along with a bunch of controversy that people said. If she's not a real hacker, why is there blood in her game? Freddy Funk Gaming 291. You do realize that on Roblox Studio you can add blood, right? What? 75 Norm said, you creature CTR. You can't say that, man. You're gonna get cancelled. I am Jana. Ha ha ha. You can't take me down. You wait, what? Wait, what? I am Jana. Ha ha. You can't take me down. Ha ha ha. Yep, that's totally Jen right there. With the Fortnite. That's Fortnite, right? Like that? That's Fortnite, I swear. But this video, they're defeating if you're Jana, or yeah, then I remember this movie when it came out and I watched it with my brother. This is so good. Looking for Layla. What? What? The live. The live for Jenna. The live. Yeah. Okay, that's a timestamp. There's a bunch of Oh yeah, that was. Like, right here. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, bunch of Jenna. Okay, I'm gonna need to find that comment again. Faden. Yep, I'm liking that. That is the best comment I think I've ever seen in my entire life. Yep, Faden. Chaz, okay, another timestamp. I'm not looking at timestamps, god damn it. Ah yes, the good days watching the Order. The Order movie. Now everyone just thinks Jenna is real and a hacker. This was made in 2018. What? Are you like 5? How is that the good old days? Amazing. Sonny X Misty fan already thought this was amazing. 5:03. I saw Jenna behind Z and Pan. What? Jenny be like, hello, notice me, I'm behind the bench, notice me. Yup, just random, just comedian, bro. I am so sad for Chad, sad face. What? Bro, Chad helped them, I swear. Oh wait, no, I should that. Wow, this is so interesting. What is that? With that profile picture, you do not look like you'll be commenting this on a Roblox video. What? Let me get me popcorn. Who wants popcorn? I don't like that. Dang, everyone thinks Jaina is a hacker now and is freaking out. The game's pretty lit though. What game? Okay. Soydal 2022. Yes. Basically a Jenna story. What? Huh? Alright, what is this? 2020 and 2021. Zero FX. Gun? Pancakes 2022. Pancakes gun. Zero FX. My brain. No. My stroke just had a brain. Cool movie. I hope no new Robloxian making their own Jenna conspiracy theories. Is that the tomb? Is that the... Wait, what? Crap. What the... Is that the tomb emoji? What the hell? It is! What? Cool movie. I hope no Robloxian making their own Jenna conspiracy theories. Tomb emoji. Jenna caught you in 4K in iOS. The phone slap 400K misses. Hitman 6K. This man has the IQ higher than Ian Einstein, bro. Like that just made my knowledge improve so much. Like okay, when this guy like passes away, this should be imprinted on his grave. Jenna Koyun 4K in iOS slap 400K misses Hitman 6K. Like I love that. I love that comment. If this was 3 years ago, why did rumors about You know, Jenna was like a hacker. Like a hacker before that. Or like you know, like a okay, it was like a theory back then. Jet J VP. Why would you do this? Jenna is a hacker. And Nurse Moonshine is really confused. And I also am at your profile picture. What is that? Cena Bun. This is so good. I remember watching. It was in 2018! It was in 2018! What do you mean since I was little? Are you like 2? Oh! Nicole Gradiz is really like surprised. Like that plot twist at the end was wow. These ones suck. They're just like hi. Like no, they're not gonna respond back, bro. Wow, hi A-U-O-K? Hi, I am a kid. I play Roblox and I'm a huge fan of your vids. Exclamation mark, She cheated on Zero. What the hell, Zero? I can't believe that you supported her. The memories. So, oh my god, what do you mean the memories? People, Jenna is loose. She hack girls. I love that. It's no true, bruh. She ain't hacking nobody. No. Yeah, to that bewitched AJ. Ah, yes, I remember. Remember when Jenna was just a movie? Now it's oh. Okay. No, Jenna was like not a movie in 2017. Also, what's your language? Hello, dude. I remember watching this in 2018. The memories and nostalgia. It's 2018, bro. Why? You're like 6? Oh my god, Jenna, no. She's the bad guy in this movie. Y'all are iconic, I swear to God. What? This is really what people ask out on TikTok. Bro, yeah, okay. This comment is actually very true and is not goddamn gibberish of them splurring out a sentence. Yeah. The fact that creating a new account took him a week says about a lot. That was funny. Oh, I like that. It's been a long time since I've watched. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. Okay, that's actually okay. That actually wasn't that long. Actually, it was kind of long ago. But like you're acting like it's been centuries. What? When spenders what a thing? What? What do you mean spenders? Oh my god. Is Jenna real? I'm scared if she real. Bruh. I know she is fake. It is a joke. You were not joking. You were actually worried. Okay, this is. This film isn't the real film. I don't understand that. What do you mean this isn't the real. Bro. Mikara. Mm-mm. Mi alama. Mm-mm. Sad face. XD. You know, I think the D is supposed to be capital and like the X is not. Whatever you do, man. Whatever. Okay, this is it for this video. This is so fun. Like this is actually hilarious doing this. See ya.